So in the yesterday lecture, we have seen basically capitalized cost and started with that nominal rate of interest and I effective rate of interest. Okay, so we have seen what is nominal nominal rate of interest and effective rate of interest. So which will be greater if we calculate on annual basis? Which will be greater? Nominal will be greater or effective rate of interest will be greater for yearly basis. Okay, tell me. Effective. Okay, some are writing nominal same. How can they be same? Effective is greater. I told yesterday only. Still, so many students are confused. Effective is for compound interest. I told, and nominal is for simple interest. So we have seen that compound interest is greater than simple interest. Okay. So remember this point. We have converted that nominal into the effective. Okay. We have converted R equals to I into M and we have converted that. This is nominal. Okay. So we have converted that I effective. So always remember, effective rate of interest is for compound interest and nominal rate of interest for simple interest. So by we know that for first year it is same. So that is why we have converted that nominal rate of interest into the effective rate of interest. Okay, and effective rate of interest is greater always. We have seen the question in that effective part is more. Okay, everybody is clear here. Most of the students have written that effective is greater, but some 2-3 students are writing okay that same or nominal they have given answer. So because everyone follows the yearly pattern, okay, everyone follows the yearly pattern. So compounding will increase the rate of interest, okay, because there is a compound interest. Okay, so we have solved the numerical also. In that also we have seen that from the same, if we are calculating the amount, we are getting lesser amount, and for compound interest we are getting more amount. Okay, is this clear? Yes or no? Today it seems it's Sunday, huh? I think today you should be very free because your college is off. Okay, so at least you should give answer. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please write. Don't be lazy. Okay, morning में भी class नहीं थी आज. It means that we can take class today up to 9. Okay, it means you are totally free now. Okay, college भी नहीं हुआ, morning की class भी नहीं हुई. You are free. Okay, so at least be active in this class. कल कल किसने देखा है? Okay, so be active today. Okay, some student has written, sir, in that cash flow question it isn't mentioned both the cash flow which are discretely invested for 15 years and next 15 years. It hasn't been told that they comprises of the same cash flow right from the start of the 12 can. So why are considering 30 as a denominator for 15 cash flow? Because that 15,000 cash flow, the 15,000 cash flow is started after 15 years. Okay. Initially, suppose in 2020 it is given they have started with 12,000 rupees cash flow per year. Up to what time? 2035. At 2035, they have told that for the next consecutive 15 years, the cash flow is now 15,000 rupees. Okay, up to 2050. Okay, so that is why total coming years back will be 2000, sorry, not 2000, it will be 30 years for this 15,000 cash flow, and for this 12,000 cash flow it will be 15 years back. Okay, okay, because we want all the money at time t equals t 0. Okay, because we want all the money at time t equals to 0. Okay, okay, fine. Right question. A single effect evaporator evaporator cost rupees 1 lakh, and a two effect evaporator cost rupees 2 lakh for a identical duty. The annual steam cost for a single effect is rupees 25,000, and for double it is rupees 5,000. Depreciation is calculated on a straight line basis, assuming 10-year service life and zero salvage value. I equals to 15% annually. So which option is best? Which option is best? Single or double? Okay. So calculate it. So calculate it. So you have to see which evaporator is you will choose. Okay. Okay, 211336 correct answer. So what will be the answer? So many students are giving the answer single effect, but that is wrong. Okay, you are not taking care of the steam cost. You are just seeing the CC1 and CC2. Okay, you should take care of the steam cost also. Okay, so without capitalized cost also you can solve this. Suppose you can just say that you have a formula of f equals to p 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I 1 plus I. Okay, so suppose you take it as a 1 lakh. Suppose, okay. So what will be p value will give you if you calculate this, what this p value will, sorry, this is a. Okay, this is not p. This is a. Okay, and this is p. Okay, so what this a value will give you? What this a value will give you? Yearly, how much money you required? Yearly, how much money you required? Okay, so if you solve like this, okay, if you solve like this, you will get put the values, solve from this 1 lakh equals to this, solve like this. What is the value of a you are getting from here? Yeah, here n is there, obviously n is there. Okay, answer is coming 19925. Is it? What is the answer coming? Okay, students are writing 19925. Okay, means yearly this much amount of you are needing, plus how much steam you are needing for the single effect? 25,000. Means for running that evaporator yearly, you will be requiring this much amount of money. Similar, you calculate for the double. You calculate it for the double. What will be the A coming? You calculate for the double. What will be the value of A? It will be 39850 and plus steam. Steam is of 5000. So you will be needing this. So how much it is coming? 19925 plus 25,000. So it will be 44925 and it will be 44850. So which one is lesser? This double is lesser. So that is why we will go for double effect evaporator. So we have calculated on the basis of yearly. You can calculate it from the capitalized cost also. Okay, you can calculate it. Capitalized cost of 1, capitalized cost of 2. But after that, you have to add, after getting the capitalized cost, you have to add the value of steam. So value of steam will be 25,000. 1 plus I to the power 10. And here 5,000. 1 plus I to the power 10. This you have to add. Then compare. Okay. Because here steam cost is playing a very important role. Okay. Cost of the equipment is not playing. Steam cost is playing. In both way you can solve. You can solve it on the basis of yearly or you can solve it on the basis of capitalized cost. On the both, the answer will come that least value we will select. Okay. They have given extra data. Okay, depreciation is calculated on the straight line basis. Extra data they have given to you for confusing. Okay, they have given extra data. Everyone understood this problem? Yes or no? Write in the chat section fast. Everyone understood? Yes or no? Okay, CC method you can solve na. CC method. Okay, I will solve one. CC2 you can solve. CC method, what will be the cost? Okay, what will be the cost here? CC method, capitalized cost. See, I have calculated it on the basis of yearly. You know this formula. Everyone is comfortable with this formula. P equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 I upon 1 plus I to the power n. So what is A here? Equal number of deposit. So in other words, we can say this much amount of money I need every year. Okay, this much amount of money I need every year. Okay, so you have 1 lakh. So A will give you this much amount of money you need every year. Because why I'm calculating every year? Because it is given in the question. You calculate it by the every year. Okay, so basically this you are getting 19925 plus 25,000. This is 44,925. Okay, and this you are getting here double. So double you are getting 44,000. Okay, this is 44850. So this CC1 you have formula again. If you want to solve it by CC1, initial cost of the equipment is 1 lakh. Okay, initial cost of the equipment 1 lakh plus you can calculate the salvage value here. If you don't want to calculate, it's okay, or you can calculate the salvage value better. Okay, if you want to calculate from CC1, then salvage value is will here. So 1 lakh, what will be the salvage value? Something will come upon 1 plus I to the power how much here? 10 minus 1 plus plus Okay, this is not CC. You can't say it CC. CC means this is CC, but for calculating final value will be CC1 plus 25,000 1 plus I to the power 10. So this all will be there. Okay, salvage value 0 दिया है. Okay, zero salvage value, it means nothing is okay. You can directly do it. Okay, 1 lakh if no salvage value is given. I just told that if they have given, just subtract it. Okay, this we have seen yesterday. Similarly, you can do for CC2. How much is CC2? 2 lakh plus 2 lakh. Okay, 1 plus I to the power 10 minus 1. Okay, and final will be CC1 plus 5,000. 1 plus I to the power 10. And this is future value. So bring it back. Okay, bring it back to this. Okay, to the present value. Okay, so if you want to bring back this one, to bring back all the values. Okay, if you don't want, then it, okay, then calculate it. You will find that CC2 will be least. Okay, CC2 will be least. It will be the lesser value. Then you will be getting that double will be the better one. Okay, those who are saying that CC1 is better, they have not calculated the that steam charges. Okay, okay, next question. The pump under consideration for installation at a plant having following capitalized cost and salvage value. Pump A, okay, pump B cost, here it is 40,000, here it is 50,000. Salvage value 3,900, okay, and this is 20,000. Okay, so using CC method, using capitalized cost method, using capitalized cost method, what should be the life of pump such that both are economically equal. I equals to 10%. Okay, I equals to 10% annually. Okay, so pump A 40,000, 50,000, salvage value 3,900, and salvage value here is 20,000. Okay, so this is a gate question. Solve this. Yeah, Psycut. Psycut, what is your answer for previous question? Final CC2. Okay, you calculate it is very easy. Okay, roll number 210524. Yeah, correct. Saket, your answer is correct. Shubham, correct. Everyone solve this. Yeah, everyone is getting correct answer. In the previous question, you can calculate from the capitalized cost. Okay, the answer is CC2 is coming least. Okay, just solve it. I have checked the answer. Okay, here everyone is getting 5 answer, 5 years. So how we will solve? It is 40,000 plus 40,000 minus 3900 upon 1 plus 0.1 to the power n minus 1. This is equals to 50,000 plus 30,000 upon 1 plus 0.1 to the power n minus 1. So you can solve this. So in the whole, the n is unknown, so n will come approximately 5 years. Okay, it is 4.99 something is coming. Okay, so basically it is 5 years. Okay, those who have not got the answer, okay, everyone got the answer. Everyone got the answer, yes or no? Okay, fine. Everyone got it, yes or no? Write in the chat section. It seems so lazy today. Hmm? संडे है तो लेजी हो गए हो क्या आज? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A new material made of material A cost 3 lakh and salvage 30K. Similar equipment made of material B cost 1.5 lakh and no salvage value. Assume both type of equipment could be replaced at a cost that is more than 20% of original value. And this replacement cost remains same for further replacement. Okay. On the economical capitalized cost of both are same, estimate the service life of A. Estimate the service life of B if n equals to 10 for A. Rate of interest 0.15 yearly. Okay, solve this. Adas, please solve GATE 2019 question based on CC. Okay, we'll see. Other students, sir, please solve last question by CC method. That you can solve it. You directly, everyone is getting the answer. Okay, you just solve. What is the values coming for CC1 and CC2? Okay, you solve it. Okay, students are getting. Okay, so what is question? A new material made of material cost. Okay, a new material made of material A cost 3 lakh and salvage value 30K. Similar equipment made of material B cost 1.5 lakh and no salvage value. Assume both type of equipment could be replaced at a cost that is more than 20% of original value, and this replacement cost remains same for further replacement. On the economical CC of both are same. Okay, estimate the service life of B if n equals to 10 for A. Okay, roll number 222005. Correct answer. Okay. Okay, some have still doubt in this CC question. I will explain once again. See here. I have given one method. In this, I have calculated what is the cost on yearly basis. You can solve like this, or you can solve like the CC value. Okay, so CC value will be 1 lakh plus 1 lakh upon 1 plus I to the power 10 minus 1. Okay, plus how much value you need here? 25,000, 1 plus I to the power 10. Okay, upon 1 plus I to the power 10. Okay, this value you need, this is the final value you need for first equipment. For second equipment, it will be 2 lakh plus 2 lakh upon 1 plus I to the power 10 minus 1 plus 5,000 into 1 plus I to the power 10 upon 1 plus I to the power 10. So when you will solve this, you will see that this value will come lower. Okay, this value will come lower. Okay, those who have, some students have joined the late class. Okay, that's why I'm explaining second time. Okay, so this value will come lower, it means that is the least value. Okay, now you can solve that question and then tell me. Okay, now solve this question. Only one student got the answer, 2200005. Correct answer. Okay, yeah, 210582 correct answer. Others please solve. बहुत लेजी दिख रहे हो आज सब लोग. छुट्टी चाहिए क्या? हाँ, छुट्टी चाहिए क्या? आंसर्स नहीं दे रहे हो. यस नो कुछ नहीं. स्टूडेंट्स भी आज कम आए हैं. कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं आज? ओनली 61. बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स आए. कोई फेस्टिवल है क्या आज कहीं? Because we have different students from different parts of India. नवीनाथ कुमार. संडे तो है, संडे का तो अच्छी. आज तो मेरे, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्लास ना? आई थिंक फॉर एवरीबॉडी दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट क्लास, है ना? मॉर्निंग क्लास नहीं हुई, कॉलेज में छुट्टी होगी. देयर इज नो मॉर्निंग क्लास, नो कॉलेज. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्लास. देन every day you have a reason, sir. This is last class, we are exotic. Okay, we are exhaust. And today what is the reason? That this is first class, so we are lazy. Solve fast means that same some students are giving the answer. Alam, you have to consider that steam cost separately. Okay, it is not considered in CC. Okay, we have added separately. So correct answer is 5 years. Okay, approximately. No, it is not 5 years. Sorry. I think only one student got the correct answer. 22005 and 210582. Okay. Rest everybody wrong. Solve it. Take a time. Solve it, please. This is a gate question. Okay. See, don't show laziness. Okay. So many students is being. ऐसा लग रहा है पूरा आज सबको छुट्टी चाहिए. Solve fast. Last 1 minute. Solve it. Okay, I think now we have to solve this. Almost everyone got the wrong answer. Only some students got the correct answer. See here. Okay, some time. Okay, last 1 minute. Okay, solve it. Because after giving solution, it is just like copying the answer. Okay, have an attempt at least, so that if in an examination question will come, you will be confident. Okay, we will solve the question. See, initial cost of equipment A is 3 lakh. Okay, and for B it is 1.5 lakh. But in the statement they have told that the cost is increasing, okay, by 20%. Okay, replacement cost is increasing by a 20%. Okay, so what is the 20% of this value? Okay, what is the 20% of this value? It will be 60,000. Okay, it will be 60,000. So what will be our answer? 3.6 lakh. And here will be, it will be 1.8 lakh. Okay, 1.8 lakh. 1.8 lakh. This is clear to all. Replacement. Okay, this is clear to all. This is just we get by 20% increase in the cost. It is given in the question. Okay. Now you calculate the CC. It will be 3 lakh plus what it will come here, 3.6 minus 0.3. Okay, so first one is the initial cost of the equipment, then the replacement, next replacement costs are changed. Okay, so it will be 3.6 upon minus 0.3 upon 1 plus 0 point rate of interest, how much? 15. 0.15 to the power 10 minus 1, and here it will be 1.5 plus salvage value for this, no salvage value. Okay, so it will be 1.5 plus 1.8 upon 1 plus 0.15 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so you have to calculate this value of n. So how much n is coming? I think approximately it should come 3.8 here. Okay, so up to 3.8 to 3.9, it's correct answer. Okay. Okay, so this is the initial cost of the equipment, and this is the new replacement cost. Okay. Okay, everyone understood? Yes or no? Write in the chat section. Everyone got this point? Okay, everyone got this point? Yes, everyone is writing yes. Okay, so see here. Here actually they have given the cost is increased. That's why here this is not the initial cost of the equipment. Okay, here they have given mentioned in the question. So that's why. And they have mentioned in the question that 20% of original value. Okay, it is mentioned in the question 20% of the original value. So what is the original value? 3 lakh. What is the original value? 3 lakh. So 3 lakh 20% is 60,000. So that is why answer will be 3.6 here. They have clearly mentioned in the question. See here, that is more than 20% of original value. Okay, and it means this replacement cost remains same for further replacement. Okay, because we have seen what is this value, this 3.6 minus 0.3, what is this is infinite replacement cost, infinite replacement cost. Okay, in the yesterday lecture we have seen. Okay, means for further replacement always the cost of the equipment will be 3.6. Okay, so everyone got it, yes or no? Everyone got this point? Write in the chat section. Everyone got this point or not? Infinite cost means after every 10 years, means if I want to draw a graph, it will be like this. First year the cost of the equipment is 3 lakh, but after 10 years it will be 3.6. Next 10 years it will be 3.6. Next year 10 years it will be 3.6. It is just like that. So that is the meaning of that statement, that it remains the same. Okay, okay, so now we are going to start a new topic, that is optimization. Okay, we are going to start a new topic, that is optimization. So what does this actually mean? Okay, we will see that what does it actually mean. Optimization is very important. Okay, in chemical industry the optimization is very important, because everywhere, okay, because everywhere you will see that, okay, because everywhere you will see that the terms will come. Okay, the terms will come or condition will come that something you are increasing, it has two parameters. One will be the positive effect, one will be the negative effect. Okay, so what does it mean? Suppose in heat exchanger we have seen that if we increase the baffles, okay, or you can say if we decrease the baffle space, okay, just if we decrease the baffle spacing, what is the positive effect there? Positive effect is, what will be the positive effect if we decrease the baffle spacing? Turbulence will be more. So in short, more heat transfer coefficient. Okay, we are not interested in turbulence. Okay, heat transfer coefficient is more. Okay, and what is the negative effect? What is the negative effect? Pressure drop. Okay, very good. Delta P will be increased. Okay, so what is the ultimate effect? If delta P will increase, pumping cost is going to increase. Okay, pumping cost is going to increase. So if you see this point, so we have to optimize this. Okay, we have to optimize this point so that, because ultimately what we want, least money. Okay, ultimately what is our aim? Least money. Our aim is not increasing the heat transfer coefficient, decreasing the pumping cost, or increasing the pumping cost. Why we are going to increase the heat transfer coefficient? Because we will be getting more money. Why we are decreasing the less, we want to decrease the pressure drop? Because we will save the electricity. So what is our ultimate aim? Ultimate aim is to save the money. That is, means for whatever the process, okay, whatever the process is this, ultimately company wants that money should be required in the less amount. Okay, money should be required very less. That is our ultimate aim. So from that factor, we think that if we increase the heat transfer coefficient, okay, we will going to save the money. But if we increase the delta P, our money again will loss. Okay, so that we have to think. So again, so that is that is we have to do a optimization, means optimum values we will get. So mathematically, if we say what is meant by optimum, if we want optimum value, what we do, means basically what we want, something should be maxima and something is minima. Okay, so for optimum value, what we do in the optimization, we just differentiate it. Okay, to getting a maxima or minima derivative. Very good. We just differentiate it, or we take a derivative of that function. Okay, we take a derivative of that function. Suppose df by dx equals to 0. Okay, so if we differentiate that, we can get maxima and we can get minima. Okay, two values. Okay, two values we are getting. Okay, two values we are getting, maxima, okay, and minima. And if we double differentiate that, if the value is getting, if we do double differentiation, d square f by dx square, so if we getting less than 0, it means it is maxima. If we are getting greater than 0, it is minima. Okay, f is function, any function. Okay, any mathematical equation which will be representing the heat transfer coefficient and delta P in your system. Okay, okay. So basically optimization is basically is used to get the optimum value. We always say that we want a optimum value. Okay, optimize that system. Okay, what does exactly mean optimize that value? So that ultimately we will be in the profit. Okay, ultimately we will be in the profit. Okay, suppose same question, same example, heat transfer coefficient. If you are increasing the heat transfer coefficient by some value, okay, so you are gaining suppose 250 rupees. Okay, you are gaining 250 rupees, but you are increasing heat transfer coefficient, you are increasing heat transfer coefficient, at last you get a 250 rupees, but at the same time delta P is also increased. And by pumping cost more energy is required by rupees 350. Okay, by pumping cost to require more money by 350. So is it suitable? Is this suitable for the industry? No, it is not suitable. Means you are gaining money by increasing the heat transfer coefficient by 250 rupees. Okay, and delta P you are wasting 350 rupees in delta P. So what we have to do? We have to optimize that so that this value, that heat transfer coefficient, will come back to 150, and delta P will be basically some value, it will any value it will be less than that. Suppose it is now 100. Okay, so this is optimum. Okay, means we are reducing the losses because we are maximizing the heat transfer coefficient. Okay, we are maximizing the heat transfer coefficient. Okay, same thing if you have heard in the that column, okay, distillation column. If you increase the reflux ratio, what is going to happen? Number of trays are going to decrease, but your load on the condenser and reboiler will increase. Okay, so that is why we say that optimum value, okay, optimum value will be 1.2 to 1.5. This optimum value will be more will be coming in the mass transfer subject. Actually, in absorption it also comes that minimum optimum ratio for the absorption is 1.2 to 1.5. Those who are in final year, they have heard. Okay, optimum value of absorption, optimum value of the distillation. Okay, so you want to increase the reflux ratio. Increasing the reflux ratio is good. You are increasing the purity of that substance, but your load on condenser and reboiler is going to increase. Okay, your load on condenser is going to decrease. Okay, yes, in critical thickness of insulation also. Okay, critical thickness of insulation, you are increasing the thickness of this what uh, your thickness of insulation, but what is happening at the same time? You are wasting money on that and you are not saving the money. But one point will come, that optimum point will come, RC, and we know that after that RC you are saving the amount of energy. Okay, you will be saving the amount of energy. So how you got that RC? We have to just differentiate that. Okay, we have to just differentiate that thing in the system. So that is why, so mathematically optimization is just the differentiating the system. You that system, every system have a one mathematical equation. Okay, it means that df, in that df, suppose one thing is going up, one thing is going down. Okay, so we have to optimize that. Okay, we have to optimize that so that both can be maintained. Okay, so that both value can be maintained in the system. Okay, so this is the optimization. Now you can write. Okay, we will see that how question comes in optimization in gate. Okay, so everyone understood what is optimization? Optimization is ultimately so that there is not load on only one factor, both terms will be optimized. Okay, okay, you have heard in the while, if you are driving a four wheeler or you are driving a two wheeler, to maintain the optimum speed in between the 40 to 60 kilometer. Okay, for two wheeler I'm saying, it is said that 40 to 60 or 80 something, it is optimum speed. What is that meaning? Actually optimum speed means 40 to 60 is a enough speed, means you are going somewhere and it is a enough speed, and you are saving a amount of fuel. Also you are saving a lot of amount of fuel. So it means that if you go beyond that 60, what will happen? One thing is good, that you will reach the destination very fast, but at the same time you are consuming lot of amount of fuel. Okay, so ultimately you are lost, means you are reaching somewhere early. Why? To save time, or you can say you will save money, but at the same time your vehicle is consuming more fuel. Okay, your vehicle will consume a more fuel in that period of time. Okay, so that is why it is said that you should maintain a speed of 40 to 60 kilometers. Okay, so that is the thing, that mileage. Okay, mileage at which, at what time will give you most mileage. Okay, so why we say that it is gives 40 to 60? Because that your engine is optimized in that velocity, in that rpm. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so sometime if you think that you have to catch a flight. Okay, if you have to catch a flight, and you are thinking, no, I will move, I will run my vehicle with 40 to 60. Okay, I will save my fuel, but you know that if you will miss your flight will cost you 6,000 7,000 rupees. Okay, so at that time you will be not thinking about the mileage of your vehicle. Okay, so at that time, what is optimum speed? At that time you have to, you know that your optimum speed will increase. Why? Because now in that optimum value the cost of your flight ticket is added. Okay, so that's why depending upon the condition optimum value changes. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, आ गया सबको समझ में? Yes or no? Everyone got that point? What is optimum? Okay. Okay, just write this. There is no theory in this. You have to just feel that what is optimum. Okay, we every time in everyday home also we use the word optimum. Okay, when you will driving car, when you will driving two wheeler. Okay, in mass transfer you will be hearing so much optimum word. Okay, there it is very important optimum. Okay, so basically every time optimum is between the maxima and minima, something is between that. Okay, so that every factor is taken care of. Okay, every factor will be taken care of that. Okay, so let's solve one question. The total cost of equipment in terms of x and y is ct equals to 2x plus 12,000 xy plus y plus 5. Calculate the optimal value of ct. Okay, there is no x word here. Okay, calculate the optimal value of ct. So calculate it fast. There is no theory of optimization. Okay. Yes. Correct answer 222005. Shubham, correct answer. Solve fast. So this is a gate question. Okay. So most of the students are getting the answer. Okay, so what you have to do basically, first you have to differentiate with respect to x. So what it will come? 2 plus 12,000 upon y minus 1 by x square. Okay, this is coming for the first section. Similarly, you have to solve it for the similarly you have to solve it for the y. Okay, so some equation you will get. So after solving that equation, you will get the optimum value of x and y. So x is coming, I think 14.42. So one student has written, and y is written 28.8. Okay, so now this is the optimum value of x, this is the optimum value of y. Okay, so it means that 14, suppose this is the optimum value of the, this is the for example, if you take this is the equation for that heat exchanger, then x is the optimum value for the heat transfer coefficient and y is the optimum value for the that something delta p you take. Okay, so your ct will come. Okay, means actual how much cost you are requiring, that ct will be 2 into 14.42 plus 12,000 upon 14.42 into 28.8 plus 28.8 plus 5. Okay, so I think for final answer students have written 91.56. Okay, so please verify this. How x and y is coming? See, dct by dx, this is equals to 0 na. If you differentiate something, it means you have to equal it to 0. This is also 0. So two equations, this equation will come in terms of x and y, this equation will come in terms of x and y. Two equation, two unknowns, you can solve that easily. Okay, now this is mathematics. Okay, so most of the students are getting answer 91.56. So verify it. Okay, if someone is getting different. So first you should get the value of x and y. After that you should get the value of ct. Okay. This is simple differentiation. If you want to solve this, I will solve, but please 12,000 by x 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus y square plus how much it is? 1. Okay. Solve it. It is just a simple differentiation. At least you should solve this. Okay. This is the basic differentiation. Everyone understood this question? Yes or no? Everyone understood this question? Yes or no? Everyone getting answer? Those who are not getting, differentiate it fastly. Everyone getting yes or no? Write in the chat section. Okay, everyone is writing yes. We will move towards the next question. Okay, wait, I will tell you next question. Write the next question. Okay, wait, something problem in my pencil. Okay, fine. Question is the cost of two independent the cost of two independent process variables F1 and F2 affects the total cost, affects the total cost CT, okay, in bracket in lakhs of rupees of the process as per the following equation. As per the following equation, CT equals to minus 100, sorry, it's not minus, it is plus, okay, 100 F1 plus 1000 F1 F2 plus 20 F2 square plus 50. Okay, so solve this question. So both are gate question. Okay, Nachiket, 2 will not come with respect to y. No, we have to differentiate it by both. Okay, yeah. This 2 will not come. Okay, sorry. I have done the mistake. This is 0. Okay, thank you, Nachiket. See, such mistakes sometimes. Okay, so avoid such mistakes. Yes, you have to calculate the CT. This is the question. Is it not visible? Visible, na? $572. Okay, I think that is the correct answer. Yes, 572 is the correct answer. Okay, solve it. Same question. Means Gate has asked same question. In the previous question, this is Gate 2015 question, and the previous one was the, I think, 2017 question. Okay, I'm not sure, but these are recent questions. So solve it. This answer everyone should get, okay? Only 3 students got the answer. Remaining students? Remaining students reply. Correct answer is 5. 582. Okay. Okay, I think 57. No, 572 is the correct answer. Okay. Everyone should attempt this question. Again, same thing you have to do. You have to differentiate it once at the with respect to F1. Okay, you have to then differentiate with respect to F2 and then put the value of F1 and F2. Yes, I cut 572. F1 value is 2.09 and F2 value is 2. F2 value how much? 2.287. That's why. Yeah, F2 is 2.287. Okay, so can we move forward? Okay. So here I will just write the answer because now it's very easy to calculate F1. F1 is coming how much? 2.09. F2 is coming 2.28 and CT is coming 572. Okay, CT is coming 572. Everyone now got the answer? Okay. Those who have not got, please do differentiation of this. Okay, now it is mathematics. Optimization, that's why I told optimization topic is all about mathematics. Next question. Obtain the optimal diameter. Harita, yes. Of storage volume V. The curve shall cost CS rupees per meter square and flat bracket flat and bottom plate cost CP rupees per meter square. Okay, so this is the question. This is a gate question. Okay. Calculate the optimal diameter of storage vessel. Storage vessel volume V. The curve shall cost CS rupees per meter square and flat and bottom is cost CP rupees per meter square. Okay. Okay, so previous question slide. Okay, take a snapshot of this previous question, and this one is yes, is cylinder. Okay, so solve it. Take a time and solve it. Okay, this is a great question. Yes, correct answer. For CT, one mistake I think you have done, Shonak. Okay, see this. Okay, see the solution because its answer is difficult to write. Okay, in your chat box. So, what is the total cost? Okay, what is the total cost? It is, if I see first flat and bottom, so what will be flat and bottom? Pi by 4 into d square plus pi by 4 into d square. What will be the cost? Cp. Okay, plus curve. Curve will be pi dl into cs. Okay, but we know that this L is a function of diameter. How? because it is mentioned in the question, it is volume V. So V is pi by 4 into d square into L. So you can write L as a, what you will write L as a 4V upon pi d square. Okay, so what will be your equation? Your final equation will be twice pi by 4 into d square. So 2 will cancel here into Cp plus pi d, in place of L you will write 4V upon pi d square. So what you want? Optimum diameter. So differentiate it. This is total cost dCt by d wait, some error is occurred. Okay, so just differentiate this equation with respect to d. Okay, I will be solving. Wait, solve it on your own. Okay, now it is mathematics. Okay, so if you solve this, what it will come? It will come d equals to cube root of 4 VCS upon pi Cp. Okay, so this is a gate question. Okay, so in the previous two questions they have given the equation directly. Okay, but in this question we have to form the equation. Okay, 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 I will explain once again, don't worry. Okay, see what is given in the question: obtain the optimal diameter. Okay, in the question they have told obtain the optimal diameter of storage volume V. Okay, so what is storage volume? It is in cylindrical, because they have mentioned the curved shell and the flat and bottom. So flat and bottom Cp, and it is. So how is flat and bottom? It is circle. Okay, so it will be pi by 4 d square. So flat and bottom, so pi by 4 d square, pi by 4 d square into Cp, 2 times. Okay. Then curve will be circumference. Okay, so what is circumference? Pi d L. Okay, so it is pi dl into Cs. So this is the equation we get. But we know that we want optimal diameter, and L is a function of diameter. Okay, because we know that volume equals to pi by 4 into d square into L. So what will be the value of L? Okay, L equals to 4V by pi d square. So in place of L, we have written this. Okay, and it is twice of pi by 4 d square. So just I have cancelled the terms. Okay. Okay, just I have cancelled this term and then differentiated with respect to d. Okay, so this is the answer we got. Okay, okay, now everyone got this? Yes or no? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Write in the chat section. Okay. Yeah, you can take length or height. Same. Okay, both are same. Okay. Everyone got this? Yes or no? Write in the chat section. There are 60 students and continuously only 4 to 5 students are writing yes, no, or some doubts. Others are what they are doing. Write it. This is the first class now for you today. Okay, fine. See why we have converted this L into this form? Because that is a function of D. L is a function of diameter. Okay. And we want a optimal diameter. So we can't neglect this. Na? We want final answer in terms of diameter. And this L is a function of. So if you will not changing the value of, okay, you will not change the value of L. If you will not change the value of L, then this is a constant, but L is a function of D, so you have to compulsory change that. Okay. Okay. Yes, here CS will come na. This is CS. Okay. Okay, so see this. This is optimization basically. So there is nothing any special formula you have to learn. You have to either you have to make a equation and then differentiate it. That's it. It is a mathematics. That's why I told it is a mathematics. Okay, you don't have to remember any formula. Other topics you have to remember the formula, but here no formula. Okay, so it's easy compared to other one. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, so today class is only up to 8. Okay, today we will take only up to 8. Okay, so next topic, break even analysis. Okay, next topic is break even analysis. So what is break even analysis? I will explain because some students are Hindi, some students are English. I will explain in both. Okay, at least concept I will be telling in both language. Okay, because तब तक feel नहीं आती है. Okay, so break even analysis means suppose you want to start a business. Okay, you want to start a business and okay, so you have purchased 10 chocolates. Okay, you have purchased 10 chocolates. Okay, of 2 rupees. Okay, so it will be 20. Okay, so it will be 20. Okay, means this much amount of money you have invested. This is your product cost. While doing business, what you will do, you will sell it in rupees 30. Suppose 10 into 3, so you will get 30. Okay, so 10 rupees is your profit. But when you will get 2 rupees, okay, when you will get 2 rupees after selling, okay, after selling how much? Okay, after selling, suppose fourth chocolate, after selling fourth chocolate, okay, you will be getting your 20 rupees back approximately. I'm just sorry, not 20. Wait, I've done mistake na. Just okay, after selling seventh chocolate, okay, after selling seventh chocolate, you will be getting 20 rupees back. So it is approximately 21, but I am telling it is 20. Okay, means in short, break even point is that whatever money you have invested, once you get back that money, that is the break even point. Okay, that is the break even point for you. Okay, means you have invested 20 rupees. The moment you get back your 20 rupees back, the moment you get back your 20 rupees back, that point means that chocolate will be your break even point. That chocolate will be your break even point. So why we want to calculate this break even point? Because we know that after break even point you will be profit or loss. After after break even point you will be in the profit or loss? Tell me. Obviously you will be in the profit. Okay, after break even point you will be in the profit. And before break even point, before break even point, before break even point, that you will be in the loss. Okay, before break even point you will be in the loss. Okay. Okay, so basically break even point, okay, break even point is that point in which total total sales equals to total cost. Okay, total sales equals to total cost. Means suppose you have invested 20 rupees for your business. The moment you recover your 20 rupees, it will be your break even point. So suppose from this 20 rupees you have purchased 10 items. So obviously while selling you want that at 7 to 8 item you want to get 20 rupees back, because after that you want a profit. After that you want a profit. So every industry tries to achieve a break even point as soon as possible. Okay, because it means that whatever money you have invested you will get back. आया समझ में सबको कि जितना पैसा तुमने लगाया अपने बिजनेस के लिए उतना पैसा तुम्हें मिल गया, दैट इज योर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. उसके बाद का जो मिलेगा वो तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट होगा. दैट अमाउंट विल बी योर प्रॉफिट. सो everyone want the break even point as soon as you will reach. Okay, reach first, as soon as we will reach the break even point, it is good, because after that there is a प्रॉफिट फॉर अस. समझ में आया सबको? 20 रुपीज का तुमने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, जब तुम्हें 20 रुपीज वापस मिल गए, ओके, 20 रुपीज वापस मिल गए, तो उतना तुम्हारा ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट हो गया. उसके बाद का क्या होगा? उसके बाद का तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट होगा. ओके, उसके बाद का तुम्हारा क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट. तो हमें निकालना है कि वो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट होगा जब हमें ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट मिलेगा. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, 7 to 8 में मिलेगा. So we want to calculate that number of product after up to which I will recover my break even point. Up to which I will recover my break even point. So I want that number of product. Okay, means in industry we will select that I have to sell that much number of products to first reach the break even point. Okay, to first reach the break even point. आया समझ में? Everyone got this point? Okay, everyone got this point? So we will write formula for this. Okay, so we have two terminologies here. First one is fixed cost. Okay, first one is fixed cost. So fixed cost means, example is land. Okay, means you have to purchase it. Okay, you have to purchase land. Okay, you have to purchase the cost of the equipment. Okay, these are fixed costs. What is fixed cost? These are the expenses. You can write this. These are the expenses that does not depend on the capacity of the plant. Okay, means you have one fixed size of the reactor, you have one fixed that is the land. Okay, so you can decrease or increase the production. Okay, so they are not going to change. Okay, they are fixed. Okay, second one is the variable cost. So what is variable cost? Will depend upon the capacity. Okay, means raw material. Raw material depends. So if you want to draw a graph for fixed cost, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this, fixed cost, and this is production. Okay, second is the variable cost. So what is variable cost? These are the expenses which depends on capacity. Okay, on capacity. So इसका ग्राफ कैसा रहेगा? This graph will be increasing. So this is variable cost, this is production. So if I want to make a combination of this graph, it will be like this. This is fixed cost and this will be like this. Okay. Okay. So this is total cost. Total cost, and this is production. So what is total cost? Total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, so this you can write. So that electricity bill and all that will come under the variable cost. Okay, electricity bill, your expenses. Okay, and this is variable cost line. Okay, so if you want total cost will start from fixed cost. Okay, total, the line will be this. We should don't draw this actually. This will be a total cost graph. Okay. Okay, so what is the break even point? If we see the break even point, basically it means that total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost, and break even point equals to, where we will get break even point, total cost equals to total sales. Okay, so if we want to draw this graph, the graph will be like this. Okay, so this will be this line and this will be total sales line. Okay, so this point is break even point. Okay, this is profit. Okay, this is profit after break even point. This is loss. Okay, so how much production we want, that is production capacity, and this is cost. Okay, so this is break even point. At this break even point, total sales equals to total cost. So this is break even point. Total sales equals to total cost. Sorry. So write these points. Blue line is total cost line, na? Blue line is total cost line. And black line is total sales. Okay, see, blue, this is total cost line. This is, okay, same we have drawn. Do see here. Okay. See last graph, see again. We have drawn total cost line, that is blue line, black line, total sales line. Whenever they will intersect, okay, whenever they will intersect, okay, that point is known as break even point. Okay, that point is known as break even point, because after intersection there will be the profit. Okay, because your sell line is going upward of total cost. Okay, and before that the cost line is upward. Okay, so that is why before that we will be in the loss. Okay, we will be in the loss. So basically we know that at break even point, at break even point, total cost equals to total sales. And what is total cost? Fixed capital plus working capital equals to total sales. Okay, but we know that working capital is now the function of number of products we will manufacture. So it is N into CP, and obviously whatever will be the n number of products we will produce, that number of products we will sell. So it will be N into CS. So this is the final formula. Okay, fixed cost plus working capital, we have seen it is a function of how many number of, it depends upon capacity. So what is the capacity? N. And whatever will be the production we will do, that much we will sell. So N into CS. So this is the final form that you have to remember. Okay, you can just write the terminologies. N is the number of products. CP is the cost of each product. And CS is the selling price of each product. Okay. FC is, write this, FC is fixed cost, WC working capital, or we have defined like this, what is this? VC, variable cost. Okay, it is similar, variable cost. In bracket you can write VC working capital or VC and TS is total sales and TC is total cost. Okay. आया? Everyone got this point? समझ में आया सबको? Everyone got this point? Yes or no? समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no? Write in the chat section fast. Everyone got this point? Break-even point. So what is break-even point? Break-even point is that point when your total sales equals to total cost. 8 बजे क्लास खत्म करना है तो सब लोग यस लिख रहे हैं. इसके पहले कोई नहीं लिख रहा था यस. It seems everyone is happy now. Okay. Everyone got this point? Total sales equals to total cost. So before break-even point, we will be okay. So before break-even point, it is loss. After break-even point, it will be profit. Okay. So we will solve now question. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Now it's 2 hours, so we will complete it for today. Okay. So everyone wants to enjoy Sunday. It's okay. I will also enjoy because we have allotted a 2 hours, so we are doing that 2 hours. That half an hour is extra. Okay, but tomorrow be prepared for 8:45. Okay, 8:30 to 8:45. We will compensate today's class. Okay. Don't watch IPLs. Okay. See, I'm not giving you time to watch IPLs. Okay. See, in my last means I have never watched IPL. Okay, I have never watched IPL. Okay, I watch only that final match of IPL. See, one thing I will tell you that now it's coming November. Okay, now it's coming November, December, Jan. Means if you see that, suppose from gate approximately 16,000 students gives the gate. Okay, 16,000 to 18,000. This year this may becomes 32 because like third year also giving. Okay, so suppose I am just taking 16,000. So if you calculate it on the monthly basis, okay, suppose here like most of the students start from July, August, September, October, okay, November, December and Jan. Okay, so from this 16,000 you can say that 14,000 or you can say 15,000 are very active. Okay, next here you will say that 14,000, next here 13,000. Okay. Next here 12,000. But November, December, January now this comes the winter season. Okay, plus festival season. This is a bonanza. Okay, this is the bonanza. Means 15,000 students now preparing seriously. Now 14,000, 13,000, 12,000, and in November this suddenly drops to, you can say, 7,000. Okay, this is sure. Why? Because this is a festival season plus there is a winter. Okay, so in winter everyone wants to enjoy the sleeping hours, and there is obviously Diwali is there, Durga Puja is there. Okay, so now December will come again, the temperature will decrease. Okay, Okay, and December will come, it will be now 4,000, and at last 3,000. Okay, so seriously, if you see every year, those students, seriously, the students who give the examination is only up to 3,000 to 4,000. This is the, okay, this is the actual situation I'm telling. Okay, that how many students seriously gave the gate chemical engineering, means those who are seriously studying, they have to fight with them. Ignore this 16,000. Okay, initially everyone is active. Okay, 15,000, 14,000. Yes, we have to do the gate, do the gate, crack the gate, crack the gate. But this time I'm taking November, because this time this is in, no, Diwali is in November. Last year it is in the October. So festival plus winter, this gives most of the students, they become sidetracked. Okay, and plus your semester exams and all that. Okay, so this is, please, so if you want to be in the race, don't waste this time. Okay, don't watch IPL. They are earning crores rupees. Okay, why you are watching the IPL? They are earning. Okay, you are not earning. Okay, just don't increase their TRP. Okay, so that they will earn also more. Okay, you are watching, you are giving money to them indirectly. Okay, you are not giving directly money, but you are giving indirectly the money. Okay, to the players. So please don't do that. Once you selected in the PSU and all that, then you watch as much as IPL you want, whatever you want to do it. Okay, you have a good 18 lakh package. Okay, I'm not just saying that do it for PSU, but do it for your own satisfaction. Okay, do it for your own satisfaction, so that you will be enjoying all subjects and all, but do it properly. Okay, due to this pandemic, we know that all in all institute this syllabus is going back. Okay, due to this pandemic. Okay, because now it's become slow and all that. Okay, okay, so whatever it's happened, ignore that. But now you have a time, spend a quality time in studying. Okay, these 3 months, November, December and January. Okay, it will be fruitful for you. Okay, but spend it wise. Okay, don't spend too much time on festivals and sleeping and IPL. Okay, do it proper. Okay, okay, thank you. So this is the story every year. Okay, those who are serious, it's okay. Those who are not, they will face the consequence. But I want that everyone should clear a gate with a good rank. Okay, so do like this. Okay, okay, thank you to all. Ritik, what you have written, sir? What is third year students benefit from GATE apart from filling the GATE exam ambience? Okay, you are going to enjoy the ambience of GATE. See, I will. This one thing I want to tell you. Okay, third year, third year is going to top the exam. Okay, this I am not demotivating the final year student and not giving overconfidence to the third year. There is a psychology. Okay, I will explain what is that psychology. Suppose third year students have done the limited 6 subjects. Okay, or 6 or 7 subjects. Okay, and final year has done all subject. Okay, final year have all the subject done, so they have more formulas to learn, more practice and all that. They have only 6 to 7 subject, so less formulas, and they will focus on this 6 to 7 subject. Another thing, mind psychology. Okay, what is that? Final will be under pressure, and we do mistake under pressure. This is the human tendency. Okay, common people, I am saying, under pressure most of the time we do mistake. This third year students are going just relax, chill mind. Okay, only in a relaxed mode. Okay, they will solve the question, they don't have a burden on their mind, because they know they can give gate in the next exam or year also. But final year have a tension. If they don't get a placement, they have a tension, they will crack a gate rank, with a good rank or not. Some these thoughts are coming. This is usual. I have also given gate examination, and same thing happens to me. Whenever the one question is not solved in the examination, feelings or negative mindset comes in the mind. What I will do that, what how I can solve the question. ठीक है, दो चार गाली मारोगे फैकल्टीज को, ये तो पढ़ाया ही नहीं, ठीक है, ये क्या पढ़ाया उसने, ठीक है. You will scold the faculties and all that, and at last you will left that question. And due to that, what will happen, it is going to affect the next question, okay, because you are demotivated. So this is very much important that you should not be demotivated in the examination, because pressure ये बहुत बार होता है ना कि आता तो सब था, okay. Okay, so this will happen that with most of the student that आता तो सब था लेकिन under pressure हम चीजें भूल जाते हैं. Okay, so this is going to happen with the final year, and third year can take the benefit of that. Okay, and for final year I will suggest don't go under pressure. Okay, if you want to solve that question, solve it positively. Okay, and main thing is that if you don't get any question in the examination, it's okay. You don't have to solve all the 65 questions. Okay. It may happen that initially first 5 questions are tough for you and remaining questions are easy. This may happen. So don't judge the paper that it is hard or easy, because you will know the paper that it is hard or easy when you will come out of the examination. Your friends will tell, oh, this is hard or this is easy. Don't judge that paper in that itself in the examination hall. Whatever you mood have, whatever you have, solve that question in that mood and be positive. Okay. And first thing that for means if you don't want to go under pressure, solve as much as question. Okay, that is very much important, because practice will give you confidence in the examination. Okay, so for whatever you in which year you have, third year or final year, don't waste time and solve the questions. Okay. And this happens with almost most of the institutes due to pandemic. Everyone is going behind the syllabus. Okay. So don't worry about that. This is for all. Okay. So anybody has doubt? And keep yourself motivated. Okay. Don't go with negative feelings and all that. Once negative feeling will come, you will just left that subject and you will enjoy some different things. Okay. So don't do that. Okay. Anybody has doubt? Yes, IIT accepts the third year gate score. Okay, means if you got a gate rank that is 200, 500, you can take admission after completion of your graduation. Okay, so ये तो अच्छी बात है, तुम्हारी रैंक थर्ड ईयर में आ जाती है. So you don't have to worry. You have a swag in the college. Okay. Yes, almost all IITs have MTech chemical. Okay, all 7 old IITs have chemical, and from new, you can say 50% colleges have that MTech. Okay, so it's a good chance for third year. Don't say like that you are going just to enjoy the ambience of gate examination. Okay, give it properly but without tension. Okay, it will surely help you. Okay, anyone has doubt? Okay, thank you.